Dream of ditching the 9 to 5 grind? Many of us have been there, staring at the clock, feeling the weight of the daily routine. The thought of breaking free and creating a life on our own terms is a powerful motivator. Let's see how Alex made it happen. His journey from a side hustle to a full-time income is truly inspiring and shows that with determination and the right strategy, anyone can achieve their dreams. Alex was drowning in debt and tired of the 9 to 5 grind. The constant pressure of bills and the monotony of his job left him feeling trapped and frustrated. He knew he needed a change. He had one goal: make an extra $1,000 a month online. This goal was not just about the money, it was about gaining control over his life and finding a way to do something he was passionate about. Step 1. Identify your skills. Alex loved graphic design. He realized that his passion for creating visually appealing content could be the key to his financial freedom. He joined Upwork and Fiverr to find clients. These platforms provided him with the opportunity to showcase his skills and connect with potential clients from all over the world. Next, he built a professional online presence. He knew that having a strong online presence was crucial to attracting clients and establishing credibility in the competitive freelance market. A sleek website on WordPress and active social media helped him stand out. His website showcased his portfolio, and his social media profiles kept potential clients engaged and informed about his latest projects. Then he developed a strategic pricing model. He carefully researched the market rates and created a pricing strategy that was competitive yet fair, ensuring that he could attract clients while also valuing his own work. Competitive rates and unique packages attracted clients. By offering tailored service packages, he was able to meet the specific needs of his clients and build long-term relationships. With projects rolling in, Alex focused on expanding his reach. He knew that to sustain his growth, he needed to continuously find new clients and opportunities. He joined online communities and built relationships. Networking with other professionals in his field helped him gain insights, find new clients, and stay updated with industry trends. Finally, Alex scaled up. He invested in tools to streamline his workflow and took the leap to go full-time. Productivity tools and workflow software allowed him to manage his projects efficiently and focus on delivering high-quality work. Within a year, Alex crushed his $1,000 goal. His hard work and strategic approach paid off, and he was able to turn his side hustle into a thriving full-time business. His journey shows the power of leveraging your skills online. So identify your strengths, build your online presence, set competitive prices, engage with your audience, and never stop learning and adapting. Be ready to scale. As you grow, continue to invest in yourself and your business. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Your success story starts now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Take care. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Take yours today.